Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the settings. Let me go back. In the settings, let's go and find General and then go to Software Update. As you can see at the top, you've got this option, Automatic Updates. So let's simply tap on this option, and if we've got it turned off, for example, simply make sure that if you've got everything turned off, simply make sure that you will turn them on just by tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, we've got we've got this option divided into two different options: iOS updates and system files. So it's completely up to you whether you wish to turn on only one of those options. So for example, automatically download, but then you will have to install it manually. What I highly recommend to do is to simply turn off all of those options. So for sure you will be able, your device will basically automatically download and automatically install the update. So you won't have to do anything more. Just wait until the update will be applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.